Poor Kelly was rescued by At-Choo Foundation. Yolanda tried for 2 weeks to earn her trust, giving her food when she saw her. And then it happened. Instead of being flighty, she let Yolanda wrap her in her warm coat and take her to get help. Her past is over. Her family kept her outside. When she began to change, the family didn't care and more than likely fed her rocks. She was so hungry, she chewed on them. Her front teeth are nubs. They are gone. She feels bad that she makes people sad. Kelly wants to hide. We aren't going to let that happen, because she makes us so happy.
You look so much better.
Happy we get to make sure she gets help. Happy she is on her way to good health. Happy for her future.
You're so beautiful.
Kelly is sweet, she is street smart. Our shy sweetie is 4 years old and is around 18 pounds. She is crusty with mange, itchy with mange, she is malnourished and she has TVT, a cancer that is treatable. Darling, sweet, affectionate Kelly is ready for a rescue as sweet as she is. Thanks to Sally of Mutt Mutt Engine connecting the dots and Kylie Francher doing the driving. Of course, big thanks to Matryoshka for healing her body and soul. Please support At-Choo Foundation.